So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make as much as you want. Yes, you heard that right, with Google and of course a few other things in just some simple process. So if you're looking for ways that you can leverage online for income, yes, so this is something that you can leverage on and on and on and keep squeezing out the juice from the juice box. So let's just get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google Bard. So Google Bard is like, it's an AI tool and it's just like ChatGPT. So Google Bard is now Gemini. So if I say Gemini, I'm still referring to Google Bard. So you can also search Google Gemini and it will also bring out the same thing. So now you're going to go to Google Bard. So now what you want to do is go to Google Bard or Google Gemini. Like I said, it's just the same thing as ChatGPT, where you can put in your prompt and you get a response as per the AI, the way the AI is built. Now the reason why I'm not using ChatGPT in this instance is because Google Bard will be more preferable because it leverages on Google searches, Google search results, Google SEO, and this is what we want in this instance. So what you are going to do is go to Google Bard and you are going to give it a prompt here, and Google Bard is going to give you a result or give you result as per Google search results. So now you want to write, I want to create a website that provides solution to what people are searching for. Give me the best. Okay, we can however write, give me popular niches with high searches that are most visited on Google and digital products that can be created under them. Now when you give it this prompt, Google Bard is going to give you is going to respond to you as per Google SEOs. So now you can see popular search result because you want to go for niches with high search volume. So when you put out anything there, you can be sure that people are actively searching for it, and you will need to do just little work in SEO tweaking. So now it has given us the popular niches with high search results. So you can see the evergreen niches. You have the health and fitness because everyone wants to live healthy, everyone wants to be fit even without so much stress. Finance, everyone wants to make money. Relationship, personal development, food. Now what you can see trending niches in 2024. You can see make money online. You can see sustainability and eco living. You can see remote work and digital nomadism, mental health and wellness. So what you want to do is you're going to go through and look for, if you are starting out, you can start out with one. You can look for just one particular niche. Of course you want to go for the popular ones, the top ones. However, it is still okay to go for something that resonates a bit more with you, so that content search or content creation or content building, content management would not be like a chore for you. So probably you are more like a health person or whatever it is. You can pick anyone and constantly do content or what have you. However, like I said, I would like you to pick the one that you are big on, probably personal development. So let's take, for example, I'm picking health and fitness. Another health and fitness, you can have digital products that can involve workout plans, meal plans, fitness guides, meditation apps, healthy recipe ebooks. So now what you want to do is you want to pick a digital product because, of course, as someone who is starting out, who is trying to, get into this model, this business model, you want to pick out one and focus before before you delve into others. So now I'm going to be picking workout plans, and the next thing you are going to do is you're going to go into Canva. You're going to go into Canva. Canva is simply a site. It has an app, but this is the website version. It's a site where you can do a lot of designs ranging from e-flyers, document presentation, content creation, videos, websites, digital products, and whatever have you. So now what we are going to do is you're going to enter your content into Canva. So Canva is going to help us in creating our digital product. So like I said, we want to create workout plans, and I'm just giving this as an instance. Yours could be fitness guide, yours could be health ebooks, like healthy food recipe ebooks. Yours can be personal development and what have you. So now I'm going to be choosing workout plans.
Yes. So this is very, very important.
Now what you want to do is you enter it into the search results, and Canva is going to give you templates. It's going to give you already made templates that are embedded into its system. So you can see from here we have several here, so you can just pick any one. So let's just pick this one and see how it goes. So you can see it is already here, and you may just want to customize the template just to make it not so generic, just to add a little spice and a little, personalization, personalize it, make it seem like, okay, this is actually your thing. You may want to change the background if you choose to. Let's say the bluish part, you can make it lilac-ish. You may just want to switch several things there. You can change the name here probably to your brand or whatever you want to name it, and put your social media handles here. Just add a little bit of spice there, and you want to go ahead here, click share, and you want to download it. So once you click on download, you can see here you can be able to download it to your computer or to your phone if you are using your phone. Now the next thing you want to do is you're going to go to Hostinger. So Hostinger is practically like a website builder. It helps you to build your website, helps you to host your website also. So basically it has like WordPress embedded in it, so you can be able to customize your website in a much more unique way that the ordinary like WordPress websites may not allow you to do. So you can see, however, the ease with this, or the part we would like to focus on, and you can see the amazing thing is that it's actually cheap. You can see 2.99 per month. At least they have a deal going on, and this is something you can take advantage of if it is something you want to try out. Okay, so however, you need to do a little research on your SEO, sorry, a little research on the topic you want to go into. You need to do a little research on it and how you're going to go about it if it's something you want to go into. So you can see it's actually cheap, and where I want us to actually delve into is their website builder. If you already have a website, it's totally fine. You can just host it, or however, if you don't have, this is a good way because it offers, you can see, 247 customer support. You get a free domain, and you can build on your mobile or on your desktop. So you're going to be taking advantage of the AI website builder, which is this. You can go ahead and claim the deal. Yes, and you can see here you want to add it to your cart, and you want to create your account. You're going to select your payment and make payment for that. And once you do that, the AI website or the AI website builder is going to just you just want to put like very few things inside, like probably what your website is about, just a few things you want your website. You will have to be, and you will need to be very, very specific, so that the AI website builder can take in as much as what you want, as much as your ideas, and convert it into something similar. You also have the opportunity to be able to edit it to suit your taste, apply pictures that are more personalized to you or your brand. So once that is done and your website is up, set and running, you want to impute your digital product, yes, and you want to do a little bit of SEO just to optimize the search there, optimize the words there, and put it just right there in your website. So you want to put words that people are actually searching for. Okay, so now the best way you are going to leverage on that is that you're not just going to stop there and hope for Google to do all the work for you. You want to cross post, you want to cross advertise, and you can do this by the social medias that we have going on. You can see that Instagram is big and is growing every day, and you want to go out there, say something about your products, tell them what it can do and how it can help them. You can also bring someone, like just record a friend or a family member trying out your product, your digital product, or downloading it, just to show a proof of, just to give them an idea that, oh, let me go try this out. You can put the link in your bio and stuff like that. And you can also leverage with with TikTok. We all know that TikTok is growing bigger. So what you want to do is you're going to leverage on TikTok. You're going to create content. It doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be too intense, too formal. You can make it informal. You can be versatile. You can be flexible. But you want to cross post your digital product so that people can know, so that it can help to give it a boost. And the thing about Google search engines and all this automated stuff is that once it notices an initial traction from people, it will begin to build up, and once it builds up, it will begin to show your website to more people who are searching similar things, even though not the particular word as per the SEO, but similar things. Your website will begin to come up and your digital product will be obvious for people. You can, however, still leverage on Facebook. You can leverage on Pinterest. You want to use a combination of all this so that you are making maximum impact, you're making maximum use of it. You want to use Snapchat as much as you can, of course. However, if you cannot be on everything, you can choose the two best you're good at. You can choose TikTok and Pinterest. You can choose TikTok and Instagram, what have you. Okay, and this is basically a simple breakdown on how to do it. And the truth is, you just have to be consistent, and definitely you're going to see results in no time. So if you found this video helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up, do well to like this video, do well to leave a comment on what you think. Have you tried it out? And do well to subscribe. Okay, I remain the Finance Intel, and I help to show you ways on how to make some money online.